In a quiet classroom, a bird perched on the windowsill chirping its thoughts aloud. The students, intrigued by its melody, paused their studies to listen. "Why do you sing?" asked a curious child. "I sing to express my truth," replied the bird. The teacher frowned. "This is a place for learning, not distractions." The bird pondered. "Isn't learning about understanding all voices, even those that sing?" The class fell silent, contemplating the bird's wisdom. The teacher, realizing the lesson, nodded. "Perhaps," she said, "we all have something to learn from your song."